Hi honeys, welcome back to yet another video. In this video I'll be presenting a new chapter into the channel, which is life as a UNISA student, and this is season 1 episode 1. I've started a journey as a nature conservation student at the University of South Africa, and I hope we are going to have a great time in this chapter of my uni life. I will post videos on Wednesdays after every 2 weeks, hopefully, and sometimes I'll be at home because this institution is an online distance learning university, but sometimes I will be at campus just to get a breather, just to study in a student orientated place or environment. I hope you guys are going to enjoy watching me become a uni student and becoming a nature conservator. Well, I don't know how many seasons we'll be having, but we're gonna go with the flow and we're gonna enjoy our times as uni students. Enjoy this wonderful vlogging. See you on the next clips. Bye.
I know you want me, baby, then not only when you're lonely, yeah. You see you think you know me, but you don't even know nothing about me, yeah. You see my thick thighs, thoughts when you look into my brown eyes. You see my lips always commit you switch sides.
What is up, honeys? It's Honest, and I am back with another lit video. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with everyone that you love and those that you want to express your love to. And if you are a returning subby, hello honey, welcome back to the honey family. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. So guys, today I am going to campus for the first time in 2025. As you guys heard from the intro, I'm now a student. Last year I was a student, but this year I'm a student. So right now I want to do my break, my lunch, because I don't have money to buy lunch. So I want to do my lunch and I want to do my smoothie. I wanted to catch the 10 to 9 train, but my student card got lost in the house. So I was going to the storage room outside, coming back, looking for the bag. I thought it was in my black bag that I carried as a school bag last year. I don't even know where that bag is. And then I came and checked in my wardrobe. It was not there. By the side of my bed, it's not there. Inside the books that are out, I went in and out. Inside the books that are outside, it was not there. And I had an idea that, no man, remove the shelves from the pedestal. And then it was was on the floor. Even my sellotape, I was looking for sellotape this other day, it was behind. Even my matric certificate, it was behind. Like everything was behind the thing. It was under the shelves. But either way, it's fine. I found it. And I did a lousy lunch because I was in a hurry. But now I'm gonna do a proper lunch for myself because I'm gonna catch the 9:30 train. Now I want to do a smoothie. It's just oats and milk. I'm just gonna do oats and milk. I mean, it's breakfast, why not? Because I don't want to cook oats, so it's just oats and milk. And then I'm gonna put some chia seeds inside. That's all. And then I'm gonna redo my lunch because now I have more time to do it. I'm gonna redo my lunch and make sure that it looks appetizing. And I'm going with my friend. She's also a first-year student. I'm a first-year student in the course that I'm doing, and second time in uni. So for her, it's the first time being at campus. So I'm going to campus. I'm going to Sunside campus. I'm not going to go to main campus because I don't have anything to do at main campuses yet. But during the year, I am gonna go to main campus because I'll do like life update. So yeah, let me show you guys how lousy my lunch is. Like, it's horrible, guys. The bread is even stuck. Dog. Nah, dog, let's do this thing again. And actually put effort. But I have to actually put effort in my food because I'm not just gonna eat it. Like, girl, fix yourself, fix your life.
This day that God is giving me, I'm not gonna waste this joy deep down inside me. I'm not gonna shake. Been stressed for so long, so stuck in my own way. So I'ma enjoy this moment. It's the day that the Lord has made. It got so hot I thought I wanna die. Blood dripping from my arm, just wanna feel inside. Too afraid to open up, so I'd rather hide. Man, I'm just so grateful that I made it this far. Almost thought I had to call my mama in a cup car. Betty's everything for me and everything I need. I would be nothing if you didn't give me no reason to be. Cause I'm riding through the city, and I ain't worried about it.
Soften up the mess, drop it in the water, let the daughter find her image with the rest. She'll be learning how to breathe, spinning through identity, revealing every pretty little scheme. Save her mind,
No one knows.
hold her hand, and don't believe a lie. You understand me. Walk her down the valley, pack a piece of heaven for the bottoms of her feet. Teach her how to jump and how to stretch when she reach, like the angels do, and you gon' make it through. Now, tell about the healer, greater is the one within a cup.
Now this is it's a good lunch, okay? This is a good lunch. You see, it's nicely, it's toasted, it's crispy, it's a lunch. Not the things that I did before. Not the things I did before. So guys, now I'm done doing my breakfast, and lunch. I'm gonna finish my breakfast. I'm gonna wash these, finish my breakfast, and then no, I know it. Hey, lover of my soul, lover of my soul. I'm even gonna do my
master leader, teach her how to hold a pretty hand up to the sky, and never wait upon the giver. He'll deliver like a dealer. To take her higher, higher, fly out the valley and the fire. Take her higher, higher, fly about the valley and the fire. Train her feet for running, show her every door and how the windows let the sun in. Copy out the key and tell her this is for becoming. Even in the fever, baby, cry and get to running. And tell her that you better get your bootstraps up. You're with the army, ready when the truth act up. Nothing can harm me. Yelling from the roof, I touch, put up a guard and count to 10. Lion's den, speaking with the higher pen. Can't be touched by fire. Fast forward to the grown things now. I'm working on them soul things now. Forgiving all your old ways, but it's harder on the
watching, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with everyone that you love and those that you want to express more of your love to. As always, stay as sweet as honey, because honey from earth loves you, guys. See you on the next one. Bye.